When children work on school assignments or presentations, their teacher often asks what their dads do for a living. My daughter proudly tells her that her dad fixes aeroplanes. At first glance, this job might seem like a distant, almost divine realm. However, that is not the case. Aircraft are designed for a human operation, and their systems are also intended to be managed by people. Alongside my role as a structural engineer, I'm also a certified instructor responsible for training our new hires. You could be a mechanic, avionics engineer, locksmith, or inspector. We offer all these roles, and there's definitely an opportunity to find your niche in one of these areas. I would suggest starting a career in aircraft maintenance right after school. The conditions are excellent, and the company is very supportive of those who are motivated to succeed. It's a great place to kick off an aviation career. At FL Technics, we have women who have successfully completed all the exams, are licensed, and work directly on aircraft. As practice shows, this field is not reserved exclusively for men. There's no monotony, with plenty of interaction with customers and staff. You're constantly faced with new tasks, such as choosing repairs, developing methodologies, and tackling challenges, which help you improve. It all starts with a dream, but if you don't take action, it won't come true on its own. You simply need to be brave enough to take the first step, and that step can only be taken here, from within. Taking the first step is definitely worth it. Work your way up from 0 to hero.